everybody, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Parvish and I'm the brand ambassador and product development ambassador for MN Cafe. We have made some production videos for you guys to see the magic behind the scenes, and I will be making production videos for you guys on a monthly basis, teaching you guys all the skills and techniques for all the necessary required process. You guys can also give me suggestions as what to make in the future production videos, and most importantly, I would love for you guys to go try out our products that we develop at our cafe. So the first step is to grind the pistachio nuts with sugar. Now we have some nuts and sugar which we'll be putting into the mixture. Next step is to separate egg whites from egg yolks. You have to make sure that the egg yolk does not get mixed up with the egg white, or else that's a blunder. Don't do that. We have about 7 to 8 eggs over here, and we are going to separate सबके egg yolks and egg whites very carefully and very gently. अब हम egg whites और powdered sugar को mixer में डालेंगे and 2 minutes के लिए whip करेंगे. Now we'll let this whip for about 2 minutes. For this, now that our eggs are being whisked, we go back to the pistachio powder and get the mixture for the sponge ready. We have a large bowl over here and the pistachio powder that we made before. फिर उसके बाद हम egg yolks लेके आएंगे और pistachio paste, and last but not the least our oil. और हमें इन सब चीज़ों को mix करना है इस large bowl में. Every whisk now तो इसको माफ कर देंगे, and then we'll put the pistachio powder in the large bowl. Then we're gonna add our eggs and our pistachio paste. अब हम gradually oil डालेंगे इसके अंदर and slowly whisk it. Now our mixture is ready. अब हम जो egg whites हैं वो हमने mixture के अंदर डालने हैं. Now we have the egg whites and the mix over here, and अब इसको mix करेंगे. Slowly and gradually, you don't have to whisk it away like that. Okay, our mixture is ready and our oven is also preheated to 180. और उसको tray में डालेंगे. I have a mat, but if you guys have baking paper at home, you can do that as well. अब हम इसको even करेंगे spatula के साथ, nice and slowly. So now it is all even. I'm just gonna go and pop it in the oven. Okay, so now we have the crunchy ready over here, and we have pistachio paste hai, and your white chocolate with oil, which I will go and pop into the microwave till it melts. Now we'll add the crunchy into the pistachio paste, and then we're just gonna mix it well. My chocolate is ready. Our white chocolate and oil is ready, and now I'll be putting this into the mixture and mix this well together. अच्छा, now we're going to be making raspberry confit. उसके ingredients मेरे सामने हैं. We have frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries, gelatin, raspberry syrup, and some lemon juice and sugar. Okay, so we are going to be putting in gelatin, sugar, and frozen raspberries into the jug and pop it into the microwave for 1 minute. Now we're going to be putting in the frozen strawberries into the jug. Then we will be putting the lemon extract and the raspberry syrup. फिर इसको हम mix करेंगे. Okay, so now our mixture for the raspberry confit is ready. Now we'll go and grab the mold. We have the mold over here. अब हम इसको gradually इसके अंदर डालेंगे. Asha, guys, now we're going to be popping this into the freezer for 4 hours. So see you guys after 4 hours. Okay guys, the third step is raspberry caviar, and we have the ingredients over here. We have lemon juice, sugar, gelatin powder, water and raspberry syrup, as well as frozen oil. ये मैंने 4 से 5 घंटे के लिए freezer में रखा होता. I just took it out. So you guys have to do that part on your own. We're going to be adding all the ingredients into the pan and we have to boil it for a minute. Our boiled mixture is ready. अब हम इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डालेंगे. About half a cup. You have to be very careful with this because ये काफी boiling है. Now raspberry caviar is ready. I'll just go and pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. The third step is vanilla and raspberry mousse, and we are going to be making it. These are the ingredients. We have egg yolk mixture and white chocolate, as well as raspberry syrup and gelatin. अब इसको हमने माइक्रोवेव करना है. जब भी देर हमारा मिक्सचर माइक्रोवेव हो रहा है, we're gonna whip our cream. Our mixture has been microwaved, so I'll just go and grab it. हमारी whipped cream भी तैयार हो गई है, so I'll just go and get that too. अब हम इन दोनों को इस बोल में मिक्स करेंगे. Now we'll put our microwaved mixture into the cream and mix it well. Okay, so our mousse is ready. Now I'll just keep it aside and get our sponge and crunchy here. अब हम अपने crunchy को sponge के ऊपर लगाएंगे. We have to even out the crunchy. Okay, so now our base for the crunchy is ready. Now moving on to the mousse, we will pop it into the paper bag. अब हमने इन मोल्ड्स में सिर्फ 1/4 फिल करना है, not much. Okay, so हमने mousse डाल लिया अपनी मोल्ड्स में. Now I'll go and grab the crunchy sponge. We'll fill in these with the remaining mousse. And we're done. So our raspberry confit, which we popped in the freezer, is now ready, and I'll go and grab them. अब हम इनको मिडल में ऐसे डालेंगे. We have to level these out ऐसे. And now we're going to be popping this into the freezer for 4 hours. I've popped the mousse into the freezer for like 4 hours now. So usi daran we'll make the glaze. Okay, so now I have the ingredients for my glaze. We will be popping the vegetable oil into the white chocolate, and अब हम इसको microwave करेंगे for 1 minute. Our chocolate has been melted, so now I'll just go grab it and put the food coloring in it. And we're done. The mousse is straight out of the freezer, and now we're just gonna glaze it. Let's make it a bit prettier. Now she's all pretty and ready. Do you guys remember the caviar we put away? Well, this is it now, and we're just gonna put it on ऐसे करके. So guys, this was the first episode, and I would love if you guys give suggestions, drop them down below in the comment section, and see you guys again.